Hi, this is Bob. I'm a guide with Get Set Up, and I'd like to tell you about a course that we're offering called Facebook Groups, how to find one that's right for you. Facebook is a really powerful social media platform. As you probably know, it's free to join. There's over 2 billion Facebook members around the world, and there are over 10 million Facebook groups that are out there. So if you want to get together with some people to you know, discuss a topic that you're interested in, or watch music videos, or practice a language, or play games, or maybe talk about what's going on in your neighborhood. There's very likely a Facebook group or two that you could find that'll help you do that. So in this course, we'll show you how to do search for a Facebook group that you might want to think about joining, how to find the right one, and then finally, what's the process for joining once you find one that you would like to get into. In some cases, you can join automatically. Sometimes you have to be admitted by the owner of the group. And finally, if you don't find a group that is exactly what you like, you can actually form your own group. It's quite easy. So I hope you'll join us for the Facebook group course, and I'll see you online.